Today's my seminar topic on iPad technology. These are the contents: introduction, history, best uses, types, advantages, disadvantages, future, conclusion. Coming to introduction to iPad. There has been a lot of marketing and journalist hype about the iPad. It's magical according to some, to others. It's just a big iPhone. History of the iPad. The iPad, also known as the Internet Protocol Adapter, is a device based on iPad OS, which is a very specialized embedded operating system created by Philip L. The iPad project started in 1993 when Phil Becker saw that the Internet was fast becoming a game that only large corporations were allowed to join. Coming to best uses of iPad. Mobile gaming and e-reader are the best uses of iPad. Coming to mobile gaming. The iPad was already a great gaming machine with the ability to use the gyroscope and oximeter to take portable gaming to a whole new level. Coming to e-reader, the ability to read e-books from Apple's iBooks, Amazon Kindle and Barnes and Noble's Nook certainly makes the iPad one of the most versatile e-readers on the market. Coming to accessories for iPad, there are 5 accessories in iPad: wireless keyboard, headphones, cases, columns and cables. Coming to types of iPad, there are 2 types of iPads: Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi plus cellular iPads. iPad memory sizes. Coming to advantages: smooth, thin, nice black and silver design. Excellent ebook and general reading device. Be able to run all programs on iPhone with a large and bright 9.7-inch display screen. It takes up most of the space. Coming to disadvantages. The battery cannot be replaced. No camera, no USB port, no multitask, no flash. Without headphones. The memory capacity cannot be upgraded. Coming to future. Now that the iPad line has split into 2 families, the Mini and the Retina, it might make you wonder where the iPad as a product is heading. Coming to conclusion. It has changed the music industry by providing a new and improved way to listen to music. It is very popular electronic that most people around the world have or at least know about. Thank you.